Hi everyone, welcome back. In our last video, we practiced using our Solfa hand signs, do, re, and mi, and discovered that you can sing real life songs using Solfa. Today we're going to go even higher on our Solfa staircase by learning so and la. Every time we finish an activity time, the star will fill up with gold. Are you ready? Let's go! To play so with our hand signals, we simply put our hands over our heart and then move them away from our bodies like this. It sounds like this. So, let's practice it in activity time. Hey, woo! Woo! Okay, everyone, let's do a quick warm up. Shake your arms out, get the hips moving. That's it. Okay, and shake out your legs and give yourself a big hug. Self-care is important. And then we're back and we're ready. Here we go. And let's make our posture great. Now, on the count of 3, jump in the air. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, well done. Fantastic. Let's hit it. I'll go first, then you try. Here we go. Start off loud. So, mi. Your turn. Well done, quietly. Your turn. Well done. So, mi, so, mi. Your turn. Well done, quietly. Loudly again. So, mi, re, do. So, mi, re, do. Well done. So, mi, re, do. So, mi, and quietly again. Your turn. Well done. Do, mi, so. Do, mi, so. Well done. Do, mi, do. Your turn. So, mi, do. And quietly. Your turn. Well done. Super. Do, so, do. Your turn. Do, so, do. Well done. Do, so, do. Well done. That was super, guys. Woo! Well done! So and mi remind us of so many sounds, like a doorbell and songs like Rain, Rain, Go Away. Now it's question time! Question 1. Can anyone figure out what the next step is on the Solfa staircase? Feel free to pause the video. That's right, it's la. Okay, question 2. This one is extra hard. Is la higher or lower than so? I'll wait. That's right, it's higher. The la hand sign looks like this. Now you try. Good job. Now, let's try changing from do to la. So everybody get their do ready. Now let's change to la on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, la. Great. Let's go again. Everybody on do. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, la. Fantastic, everybody. Now let's start on so, and on the count of 3, change to la. Here we go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, la. So, now that we've learned la, it's time for activity time. Woo. In this activity time, we're going to practice jumping up and down our staircase using our new steps, so and la. But for this activity time, I'm going to need some help from my twin, Hugo. Hey, Hugo. Hey. Wait. Did you just steal my watch? Yeah, I did. Na 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 na. Fine. But wait. What's that you just sang? What? This? Na 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 na. Can you guys hear what Solfa steps Hugo is using? Sing it again, Hugo. And everybody listen carefully. Na 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 na. Do you know what Solfa notes Hugo is singing? Feel free to pause the video and share your answer with the class. That's right! Hugo is singing so mi, so mi, so mi, la, so mi. Sing it again, Hugo! Na 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 na. Right, Hugo! See that watch? Looks like it's time for you to leave. Bye! Alright, see you later. P.S. I want my watch back later! Awful guy. Okay guys, let's practice jumping up and down our Solfa staircase using so and la. Here we go. And start off loud. So, la, so. Your turn. So, la, so. Well done quietly this time. So, la, so. Your turn. Well done. So, mi, la, so. So, mi, la, so. Well done. So, mi, la, so. And loud again. So, mi, re, do. So, mi, re. And then quietly. Well done. So. So, mi, do, mi. So, mi, do, mi. Well done. So, mi, do, mi. So, mi, do, mi. Well done. So, mi, la, so. So, mi, la, so. Well done. Well done. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la. And then quietly. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so. Well done. La, so, mi, re, do. Your turn. La, so, mi, re, do. Well done. Quietly. La, so, mi, re, do. Your turn. La, mi, re, do. Ah, well done, everybody. Woo! Wow! If we keep learning this fast, we'll know all the steps on the staircase. And then I won't have a job anymore. Now that we have so and la learned, we're able to make our way up and down our Solfa staircase with ease and sing so many songs. let's sing all the steps that we've learned so far. Repeat after me. Here we go. Do, re, mi, sol, la. And your turn, go. Well done. Let's try another one. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, so, la, la, la. And your turn. Well done. Now let's go back down our staircase. Here we go. La, sol, mi, re, do. And your turn, go. Well done. Let's try another rhythm. La, 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 so, mi, re, do. And your turn. Well done, everybody. Because we've gone up so high on our Solfa staircase and completed all the activity times for today, we've won another gold star. Well done, everybody. In our next few lessons, we'll be learning how to sing lots of songs using our new Solfa steps. It's going to be so much fun. Until then, be sure to work on your worksheets for the next lesson and keep singing and practicing your hand signals. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.